The length of the curve y is equal to sine 3x is something which we have to find from 0 to pi over 6. So the formula for the length of the curve is given by root of 1 plus dy over dx whole square, and this should be integrated with respect to x within the limits of, in this case, a to b. In our case, first let's try to find dy over dx. So y is sine of 3x. So using the chain rule, dy over dx is going to be differentiation of sine is cos, 3x remains as it is. Then we go inside and we differentiate 3x. So differentiation of 3x is just 3. So this will be 3 cos 3x. This is the value of dy over dx. So if dy over dx is this, so all we have to do is plug this in over here. So this will become 1 plus 3 cos 3x whole square dx within the limits of a to b, where a is 0 and b is pi over 6. So the final answer is root of 1 plus 9 cos square 3x dx within the limits of 0 to pi over 6. This is the required length of the curve. Option A seems to fit the right choice. Not really. Option A does not have square root, my bad. Option D has square root, and this seems to be the right choice. Thank you.